So where's Oscar and Gaspar?
These have never been seen in public before.
Right. Are we ever going to get to meet them?
You're gonna meet their vision, you know.
Okay.
They will try to turn a human body onto something magical. And because they know that Heidi like very much Halloween.
She loves Halloween.
Yeah, so they choose you to be part of this performance.
Go!
I would like Heidi to join us on stage. We'll be back shortly.
Be careful,
Oh my
Heidi.
God.
Don't worry.
What are they doing with our Heidi?
What is happening?
Okay? Put your arms like that and close your eyes.
Okay.
Oh, she's a little teapot.
Yeah?
You look gorgeous, Heidi.
Don't worry, it doesn't hurt, okay?
It doesn't hurt, you
I will
promise?
be back. I promise.
Oh my God. Why did he pick me?
This is kind of creepy.
That's me! That's you! Oh, wow!
So, thank you very much, Heidi. Thank you very much. So,
Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow! You were really good.
You have no idea how amazing.
I want to know. Tell me. I'm about it.
That was good.
Hi, guys.
I thought it was incredible. There were so many things going on, so many outfits, so many morphs into... Oh, it was a lot. What did you think, Howie?
It was so creative, so phenomenal. I could have watched that for much longer. It was wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Simon!
Well, this was sensational.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I think it's the most original, most beautiful, incredible thing I've seen on this show today. And you were a part of it. You were the perfect model.
So, Heidi, you don't know what went on, so...
Yeah, I mean, obviously, I can't see it. So, in terms of judging, I need the help from the audience.
Okay, so let's vote.
Yes.
Howie, yes or no?
You got your first yes from me.
Simon?
Well, obviously,